In this video, you will learn how to customize templates in Lovable. This process allows you to tailor your templates according to your specific needs and preferences. By following these steps, you will gain the ability to create unique and personalized templates within the Lovable platform. Start by navigating to Lovable's website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Lovable URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you will see the main dashboard. This is where you will begin the customization process. Next, locate and click on the Templates option in the dashboard. This section is usually found in the Resources tab. Upon clicking Templates, you will be directed to a page displaying all available templates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of this page. After you're on the Templates page, choose a template that you would like to customize. Each template will have a preview image and a brief description. Click on the desired template to proceed. You will then be taken to a new screen where the template details are displayed. Now click on the Use Template button associated with the selected template. This action will initiate the process of using the template for your project. A loading indicator may briefly appear while the system prepares your template. Afterward, click on the Remix option. This feature allows you to start editing the template. A confirmation message may confirm that you are now in remix mode, which indicates that you can make changes to the template. Continue by clicking on Starting to remix your project. This action will take you to the editing interface where you can begin customizing various elements of the template. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment to load. Next, click on the Highlight option. This feature enables you to emphasize specific sections of your template. Once you click it, you may notice additional editing tools appear on the screen. Then click on the Themes button. This will allow you to explore different themes that can be applied to your template. A variety of theme options will be displayed for you to choose from. After selecting a theme, click on Starting Live Preview. This will generate a live preview of how your template will appear with the selected theme. You may need to wait a few seconds for the preview to load, depending on your connection. Once the preview is ready, click on Hang On while we get everything set up. This message indicates that the system is applying the selected theme to your template. It may take some time, especially for larger projects. Next, click on Current Theme to view the theme currently applied to your template. This will help you confirm that the changes are being reflected correctly. Then click on Default Themes. This option allows you to revert to the original themes if needed. You will see a list of default themes available for selection. Afterward, click on Apply to implement the changes you have made. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. You will need to repeat the click on Apply again to ensure that all adjustments are finalized. This step ensures that your template is updated with the most recent modifications. Finally, click on Apply Theme to officially set the chosen theme for your template. A prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to apply the selected theme. If a confirmation appears asking, do you want to apply Glacier to your project? Click Apply to proceed with this theme. This step is crucial to finalize your customization. With the theme applied, you have successfully customized your template in Lovable. You can now start using your personalized template in your projects. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes.